Nikon zibiza ntoni? Zibiza i-commitment yakho. Once you are committed, you commit yourself, then God is able to do anything for you. But because you don't commit yourself anything in the church, then eating on the leg, you are not a part and parcel, and there is nothing that God can do for you. No matter you can pray, but if you disobey something, your prayer is useless. How can someone could submit in the Bible? You can pray with a language, a tongues, a language of the angels. But if you don't have love in you, you ufana ne clock, glory to Jesus. Hallelujah. Because ayiyi ngoba uthandaza kangakanani, but iyange obedience. uNkulunkulu akanandaba nokukhuluma kwakho nothandaza kwakho, ujonga ukuthi obedience angakanani. Nikona. Now, once you disobey God, there is nothing that will come out to you. Nikona. Yonke into oyenzayo uyenzela uzuko lukaThixo. Kukhona abantu abanikelayo ngempahla zabo ngezinto zonke abanazo besenzela ngoba bethatha kwinto abanayo. But kukhona abantu abanikela ngenhliziyo. Lento bayinikelayo iphuma enhlizweni yabo. Noma incane kangakanani iphuma enhlizweni yabo. Listen. God said something to me earlier this morning.